So this is the final result. It was really easy to install. I actually had to remove my old doorbell ring, and since I had some holes already there, and the cable was popping out of this area, I decided to put it there. The recommended height is about 5 feet. This is probably about, I don't know, 3 to 4 feet, but I decided to do it like that just because it's I already had the holes in there. But overall, this is pretty good. I tested it so far, and it's been it's been working great. So I'm really satisfied with it. The only down thing to it is that I mean, for this area I have the brick here, so I won't be able to take advantage of the what is it, I believe the 180 degree camera. So, but I'll be limited to just looking at my front porch, and that will be it. But overall, it is pretty good. I've used it with a couple of salesmen already that came by, and we spoke over the system that it has, and it was pretty good.